What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Memecoin once again. As you guys can see, it has dropped 4% in the last 24 hours. Nothing major, but it has started to drop quite a bit over the last couple of days. However, over the whole week it is still up over 92% and currently trading at 0.03351 cents. So we're going to be looking at where is this crypto heading to next. As you guys can see, this is the daily chart. Let's go on to the 7 days chart here. As you guys can see, it hasn't moved much in value since the 13th, which was yesterday, and today it hasn't moved much. So is it getting ready for another pump, or is it going to crash back down in value? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video, covering both buyers and sellers point of view and looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high can this crypto go next year as well? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and as you guys can clearly see, it has taken a little bit of a drop, 5% in the last 24 hours. Over the week it is still 91% up, and over the month it is 23%. So what is next for Memecoin? So as you guys can see, the trading volume hasn't moved much in the last 24 hours. It's just about $902 million in trading, meaning not many people are trading the crypto right now. We're seeing a lot more people holding back, keeping on to it before it starts to pump in value or potentially crash as well. But before I get into the prediction, guys, just a little disclaimer, as usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart. Once it loads up, as you guys can see, there is not much data on this crypto, as this crypto was listed on Binance on the 3rd of November, which was just about 11 days ago. Let's zoom in into the hourly chart to do the short-term prediction. And again, as always mentioned, I won't be able to do the long-term prediction, but I'll give you guys a quick overview on what my expectations are on the long term going into 2024 as well. So zooming, let me make this a little bit bigger. So zooming into the hourly chart here, we can see its current value is here in green, and it is trading. That is where it's meant to be trading at. As you guys can see, since yesterday it's been quite volatile, up and down. It has been hitting green and red candles. It's been quite volatile, but overall it has maintained its value over the last 24 to 48 hours and is essentially likely to carry on this way over the next 12 to 14 hours as well. So in the early hours of tomorrow midday, I'm expecting Memecoin to be more or less trading around its current price range of where it is at the moment. I'm not expecting any major crashes or pumps in the next 12 to 14 hours. Moving on to the 4-hour chart over the next couple of days, what can we see here? So as you guys can see, 12th of November, 13th of November was crucial days for Memecoin, as it has gained an insane amount of value and has come to a halt right now, and I'm expecting it to pump up a little bit higher over the coming days. So towards mid to end of this week, I'm expecting Memecoin to be heading over the 4 cents target, potentially even hitting 5 cents towards the end of this week. Early next week is what I'm expecting. But again, I've been keeping you guys up to date on this crypto on a daily basis on Memecoin, and I will make sure to do that. So guys, if you guys want to stay updated and keep in the loop on my updates and predictions on Memecoin, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, and also don't forget to turn the bell notifications on to get notified every time I upload. So zooming into the 4-hour chart, as you guys can see, the crypto initially was heading towards around the 10 cents target when it initially got launched, took a major drop all the way down to below the 1 cent target, and since has recovered. But as you guys can see, it did go up and then back down to the 1 cent target, and right now back up to the 4 cents. So yeah, this is literally a very volatile crypto. So do expect red days as well over the coming days and green days, up and down. But the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. Now, for those of you asking, is now the right time to buy it or is it time to sell it? Personally, I wouldn't buy the crypto right now. I wouldn't invest into it anytime soon. Only reason is there is not much historical data on the crypto. I'm going to need more time. I'm going to need more analysis to invest into such cryptos, especially when it's newly listed on Binance. It is going to be quite volatile, and I wouldn't call it a safe investment. I mean, when it comes to investment, nothing is safe, but this is a very risky one to be getting into, especially at its current price range where it's pretty much the highest it's been in the last 10 days. So if it was trading below about 2 cents, then maybe yes, I would consider investing into it, as its average value now stands at around 2 to 3 cents. So investing below 2 cents, yes, I would happily invest into it, but at its current price range, it is currently overvalued, meaning it is bound to take a little bit of a drop over the coming weeks. However, I wouldn't invest into it right now. And for those of you asking, is now the right time to sell it? Well, yes, it is, but I wouldn't sell 100% of it. So if I had, for example, $1,000 in Memecoin right now, if I was on a profit at this moment, I would probably take out about $200 to $300, so 20 to 30%, meaning I've taken out some profit and I'm still holding on to the remaining 70 to 80%, depending on how much you take out. So yeah, that means I've still got investments in Memecoin and I've also taken out profits, which works both ways. So yeah, this is my take on this crypto. And again, if we go to the daily chart, we're going to see about, as you guys can see, a limited amount of candlesticks, meaning there is not much data to do the long-term prediction. However, my takes going into 2024 from Memecoin is I'm not expecting anything huge. I'm expecting it to be trading between the 1 and 2 cents target in 2024. Yes, we may hit 3 or 4 cents here and there, but that's nothing huge, guys. I'm not expecting any major pumps or major bull runs or anything like that, and this isn't a crypto that I must have going into 2024. So yeah, it's not one of the vital cryptos that I would be investing into. As I mentioned, I'm not investing into this crypto at all anytime soon. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Memecoin, guys. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below what is the highest or lowest figure you guys are expecting this crypto to hit in 2023 as well as 2024. Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.